Head of Department, Information Technology, Counselors. Succeeded by Dr. S. Murugappan, Director, Head of Department, Biotechnology. Followed by Dr. Chandra, Director, Department of Technical Solutions. Dr. S. Prabha, Head of Department, Electrical Networks Engineering. Information Technology Counselors. Succeeded by Dr. S. Murugappan, Member, Vani Council, Banarayana Educational Trust. Then comes Dr. A.N. Natarajan, Chief Executive, Banarayana Educational Technology. Denouncing Dr. K. R. Narayan, Member, Vani Council, Banarayana Institute of Technology. Followed by Dr. K. Shivakumar, Head of Department, Mechanical Engineering. Dr. P. Kangraj, Head of Department, Computer Science Engineering. Sri Saravanan, Trustee, Banarayana Educational Trust is there. Followed by Trustee S.B. Alagappan. Followed by, finally, we have Dr. S.P. Balasubramaniam, Chairman, Banarayana Educational Trust.
வாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் என்னாவில் செந்தமிழே கலைவாணினின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் என்னாவில் செந்தமிழே மரகத வளைக்கரங்கள் மாணிக்க வினை தாங்கும் அருள் ஞான கரமுன்ற ஜபமாலை விளங்கும் ஸ்ருதியோடு லயபாவ ஸ்வரராக ஞானம் தேவி நீ அருள்வாய் தருவாய் சங்கீதம் கலைவாணி நின் கருணை தேன்மழையே விளையாடும் என்னாவில் செந்தமிழே செந்தமிழே செந்தமிழே.
Welcome address by Principal Dr. Rangarajan.
Very good morning. Meaning of life is the contribution to the society. Such a contributory, our most distinguished chief guest of the day, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, and Member of State Planning Commission, Dr. K. Ramsamy. BIT is glorified by your esteemed presence, sir. We cordially welcome to the empire of BIT, sir. Think like a man of action and act like a man of thought well suits to our beloved founder and chairman of Banarayana Institute of Technology, Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian, sir. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Respected Trustee Sri S.V. Alagappan, Sri S.V. Arumugam, Sri B. Saravanan, and Dr. M.P. Vijaykumar, IAS, sir. Honorable Advisor and Vice Chancellor, former Vice Chancellor, Bharat University, Dr. Subben, sir. Honorable members of the Governing Council, through T. Gundan, sir. Dr. G.J. Samadhanam sir, Padma Shri Dr. Rajpal Sirogi sir, through S. Adiseshan IAS sir, Chief Executive, Head of the Departments, learned members of faculty, staff, and my beloved graduates and ambassador of BIT, dear parents, இனிய பெற்றோர்களே, invited guests, present media friends, பத்திரிகை மற்றும் ஊடக நண்பர்களே, other special invitees, I deem it is a honor and pleasure to welcome you all for this 14th graduation day. உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த 14வது பட்டமளிப்பு வைபவத்திற்கு வரவேற்பதிலே எல்லையற்ற மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகின்றேன். Today is a significant day of BIT history with the gracious presence of a leading scientist who reached from Nilayur to Michigan for education, and from scientist to vice chancellor in profession, who popularized biogas and oyster mushroom cultivation in this country, who established a referral lab which acclaimed as a best in Asia Pacific region and rewarded with Australian AACR project on reclamation of Ternary Effluent Vellore district. Presently, the Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University is with us on this remarkable occasion as the chief guest. Bannaryaman Institute of Technology started in 1996 with the noble goal of providing technical education to rural students, has successfully completed 17 years under the leadership of the creator of BIT Empire to educate 6,000 students, and icon of the service and sacrifice, modesty and honesty, simple and humble, our beloved Chairman Dr. S.V. Balasubramaniam. This institution has grown leaps and bounds in all dimensions, be it infrastructure, academic excellence, sports, value addition, students and staff welfare. Our new library of international standard, built in 85,000 square feet at the cost of 36 crore, is yet another feather to its cap of glory and a standing example of unique strength. The unique blend of intellectual and holistic engagement in a world-class society has indeed enabled the faculty and thousands of students to scale greater heights in their academic pursuits and to build their career. We are proud that 1,315 graduates are receiving the UG, PG, PhD degree in this 14th graduation ceremony. To conclude, dear students, as you embark on the path of your journey from BIT, never be afraid of risk, never be deferred by failures, and turn every obstacle into opportunity in your actions. Follow the inspirational words of innovators like Thomas Alva Edison, life is a language, pronounce it correctly. My dear young graduates, endeavor to realize your dreams through dedicated hard work, incisive skills and purpose, but make sure you retain the core values and cultural strength that define Indianness. As the dawn heralds the rising sun, so sincerely unselfishness, purity and righteousness precede to the advent of God. இதயம் தூய்மையாக இருக்கும் இடத்திலே இறைவன் இருப்பான். I wish to extend my gratitude for the wholehearted support of the chairman, management, chief executive, member of faculty, staff, students and parents. I wish all the graduating students to have a bright future and emerge as nation builders and keep always the flag of the Bannaryaman Institute of Technology high. இன்றுபோல் மகிழ்ந்து பாரில் என்றும் நீவிர் நன்று வாழ்க புகழோடு என்ற பாரதிதாசன் வரிகளால் வாழ்த்தி விடைபெறுகின்றேன். நன்றி. I request our beloved chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian sir, to deliver the presidential address.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Chief guest of the day, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Dr. K. Ramaswamy, distinguished members of the Governing Council of our institute, our Chief Executive Principal, learned members of faculty, my friends from the media, proud parents, dear graduate students, because I know no more students in this college, you all graduated, therefore I call you as graduate friends, and my beloved students, invitees. I deem it a great pleasure not only to welcome you, but also thank you for a good and silent gathering here. It is a very solemn function. I am sure that you will all maintain pin drop silence. That is my request to make to all my graduate students, where we have got VIPs from the universities are here. I am sure that you will all listen to them and also enjoy the graduation day. Our chief guest, Dr. Ramaswamy, is not only the Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu University, he is also member of the Planning Commission Government of Tamil Nadu. I had occasions to listen to him whenever he had convened the meetings of the Planning Commission, of which I was one of the subcommittee members. The knowledge, in-depth knowledge